Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to turn off active status on Facebook from PC. It will work for PC, laptop or Facebook mobile app. So let's get it started. First of all, you have to log in to your main Facebook account. You can log in from Android phone or tablet or any other laptop. After opening your main Facebook profile, click over Messenger from the top right corner. Click over Messenger icon, then click over three dot option from the top side, then click active status. Here you are seeing that two type of active status: active status on for some people, active status off for some people. This means if you want to active at status off for some people, they won't be able to see your activity on Facebook, and other people can see your active status. Here I am selecting three member, then save. They won't be able to see my active status. Here you are seeing that three people, they won't be able to see my active status. On the other hand, if I want to turn on active status for some people, I have to select some people, then save. Now only selected people can see my active status. Other people won't be able to see my active status on Facebook. Only three people can be able to see my active status. Third step, if you want to turn off active status for all your Facebook members, you have to select the active status off option. You won't see on your friends and connection are active or recently active on this app to make sure that they can see this info about you. Turn this setting off wherever you are using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. You can still use our service if active status is off. If active status is turned off, you won't be able to see other activity or other people active status on Facebook. I am checking is it working properly or not. So I am opening my Facebook Messenger. After opening Messenger, here you are seeing that no Facebook green sign for active status. If you want to turn on your active status again, you have to similarly click three dot option, then preference, then click over active status, then on it, and save. Now your active status will be updated. Give a reload to your Facebook. If you are using Facebook mobile app, close it and open it again. Now my Facebook status has been shown. So that's all. Thanks for watching.